Cut. This is not Fox Kids. This is PBS Kids. So let's do take number 2. Cut. You cannot make that into a Columbia Toy Star home video. You gotta do it normal. So let's just do take number 3. Cut. Right, the green dog. It's not supposed to be dark. It's supposed to be normal. So let's do the first take. Cut. The Nintendo GameCube logo just interrupted this. It can't do that. So let's move on to take number 5. Cut. This is not FX Movie Channel. This is PBS Kids. So let's move on to the 6th take. Cut. Tune is not supposed to be here. Final tape. You mess it up? There I am done. This ID will be moved. Final tape, also known as tape 7. Perfect. You guys did great. Nice job. Hey, I see you in the next video. We do our deep sea ID bloopers. Bye bye.